Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. It is 2018 and we have some exciting news and something to show you to start off the new year. On December 30th, 2017, we woke up. It was a Saturday morning and I noticed that I was bleeding a lot, which was not normal for being pregnant. And then we decided that we're gonna go to the hospital just to get checked out. How are you feeling that morning?
I don't know, just... Alright everybody, today might be the day. We're on our way to the hospital. Kayla just lost like a whole lot of blood and watery and like... but anyways, on our way, the hospitals were coming. We packed our baby bag, got the essentials. I'm sure we missed a few things, but that's what the grandparents are for. We'll make sure they go grab it if we end up having to have a little bit of an emergency C-section. Anyways, we'll keep you updated. Bye for now. It was kind of cool.
We didn't think this was going to happen, but we ended up going to the hospital.
We need lots. Hi.
So I found out that my placenta had ruptured and blood was going to the uterus. So they actually rushed us in for a C-section. And then at 1:48 p.m., our beautiful baby girl, Mia, was born. So let's meet Mia. Mia Nicole Slaney. So Mia, we did emergency C-section.
Little duck lip.
She was 5 pounds and 5 ounces.
Here, get it.
So I am so blessed to have this amazing little munchkin in our lives. Bentley absolutely loves her and is an amazing big brother. So I can't wait to have her in our YouTube videos and explore with her and show you guys. I want to show you guys our baby setup. I'm just going to zoom you into what we have for the baby, how we set up for the baby, and yeah. So let's do that now. So we spend a lot of our time down in our living room. So we have everything that we need set up down here. And yeah.
Leave your toothbrush next to the kitchen sink just to be kind.
I set up a little corner for my nursing station. I have my nursing pillow, and then on the side I just have my laptop, a nice candle for relaxation. So yeah, like I said, I have my laptop, and then I have all my books that I write in, journal in, and just my book that I'm reading for this month.
Still hope you would try to fix what is gone. Why can't we stay for the little things? Stay for the little things. Stay, fight for the little things for every little.
So under the table we have this little container, and I keep her baby wipes in there, and I keep all of her diapers so we're prepared, and also we carry a portable change table as well to change her downstairs.
You decided
So beside my bed I have a little planner, and we track down how many times she wakes up and what time, and if I feed her or if I change her diaper, I'll also write that down as well.
Why can't we stay for the little things? Stay for the little things. Stay, fight for the little things for every little reason we've got. I wanna stay for the little things. Stay for the little things. Stay, fight for the little things for every little reason. torn apart. Still hope you would try to fix it.
So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and stay tuned for what I have next. I have a bunch of stuff planned for 2018, so stay tuned for that.